All right, I assume we all have an idea of what Google My Business is, and we already have what it needs or what we will be needing to create Google My Business profile. So we'll be diving straight to the business Google My Business profile homepage. So all you need to do is just to go to Google, www.google.com stroke my business, I stroke business rather. So you enter. So as soon as you are in, you click on manage now. Okay, I believe I already have a store here. That is why this is as it is. So I'll be choosing a new email. I'll be creating again. Let me see what happened. Okay, okay. Let me use a separate account so that we won't be distracted. So I'll be using a separate account, separate email. Okay, let's go. .google.com stroke business. Okay, so you click on manage now. Wow, I already have two business linked. You can see one is verified, the other is not verified. So let me see if there's a way I can change it, or I'll add business. So for add a single business. Yeah. Okay. As soon as you click on manage now, this is where you get to actually. So as soon as you get to this page, you have to type in your business name. So I'm going to type this very one. Type this as my business name. Then now take note of this. Before you type in your business name, ensure the business name is the same name using registering your business. If not, you either have issue with verification. When it comes to manual verification, you may have issue with that. So ensure that the name you're using is your registered business name. That's why you need to have all your documents prepared before you start registering. But if it is not a registered business, just ensure that what you are going to use is like a legal information. So now I'm only using this because I'm just creating this course. I would have used a business name, but since I don't have any other business apart from this profile for now, I'll just make use of this. So ensure you type in your category very well. I can type in digital, it's not digital marketing or digital service, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. There's nothing like that. Online, it's nothing like online marketer. Okay, content creator. You can see. Let me put let me see marketer. Let me see marketing agency. I think that's the nearest one. So I'll click on that and I'll click on next. Click on next. Do you want to add location, customers visit, or a store? So if you have a physical location where people can visit you, this is where you pay attention to, because this will rank you so much. If you have a physical location, click on yes, but if you don't have a physical location, you click on no and you next. Now this is where you need to pay attention as well. Where do you serve your customers? Be mindful of the locations you serve your customers. Do you just serve your if it is a physical location, it means you have a location at your place where people will be visiting you. So if you want to serve people only at Benue, be mindful of what you click here. So if you have a location where you are not into interstate delivery, you can definitely go with that particular location of yours. But if you know that you are into, you deliver nationwide, or you have locations you are specific to, just add them. So I can decide to add Nigeria, Nigeria, Ghana. You can see, you can decide to add Nigeria. You see, so you can add as many as you can, but please don't be mind just be mindful of what you are adding. If your location, if what you click will actually determine your ranking. If you are Lagos and you instead of using Lagos, you use Nigeria, when people want to search, you may likely not be found. So be mindful of what you are using here. So I can decide to add, remove these ones, and use Makurdi. I'll use Makurdi. Then I'll click next. So here I will insert my contact. Ensure you insert your valid contact. I have a website. I will add my website link. Then I'll click on next. If you don't have a website, just click on I don't have a website. So you next. So now this is where you need to also be careful of. So now you will need to get a verification code from Google so that you actually get your business verified. So you are going to definitely insert information about your business. I'll put BSUM, no, let me welcome, local government Makurdi, city Makurdi, postal code 970001, state Benue State. So I'll click on next. So once you are done, you click on next. You can see you click on this very one, and you can see I'm being given two ways to actually verify my business. But if happen that you didn't get this very one, you saw postal code where you are to actually send, should I say that to send you a code for you to verify, you can click on that button earlier that was showing verify later. You click on that verify later, then you make use of the other manual means, of which I'll be adding videos to that on how to go about the manual ones. But then if you are being given this privilege of verifying with a text message, just click on text message. Then Google will send a text message to your phone with the verification link. I'm waiting for it. It will arrive in the next. Okay, I just received it. So I'll enter it 571331. Then I'll verify. You can see the business is verified automatically, very easy. So you can see I'll decide to add all other services, of which I can actually do this later. But if you want to do them, you can actually add more. You can add more or skip. Then you can add your business hour. You can add them. You can add these ones, 24 hours, 24 hours. Depends on your opening time. Don't go and add because I'm adding. Know when you open and when you close so that you actually work with them. Then you click on next, or you can skip and do that later though. Yes, allow people to message you. Then this is where you are going to add a description about your business. But I may definitely do that later. But let me check. Seems like I have a copy about that. And ensure that your this is well detailed. The description is well detailed. So you don't just go and insert description that is in line with what you do. So I can decide to copy this and paste here. Oh, I've occupied this space. So let me reduce it. So I'll click on next. Now you have to add photos to your business so that it will people actually have that trust in your business. But I'll be doing that later, so I'll skip now. Advertise is usually a minute. I'm not advertising now, so I'll skip now. So your business is almost ready. I'll continue, and you can see my business is not visible, not visible. Go with successful verification. So they will be verifying this in minutes because I took the automatic way of verifying. So for yours, it's going to be if you didn't get to see that text code, and if yours is postal code, you will definitely be told that you'll be getting your verification done within 14 working days, which may not actually arrive. But in order not to wait and wait in vain, you can make use of the other means, which I'll be dropping the video after this very video. Ensure you watch it. But if you get access to this text verification, go on with the text verification. Then Google will just take few minutes to verify your business, and your business will be visible and to be listed. So ensure you pay attention to the video again, and also watch the very next video I also made reference to.